valve's closed, of course. Go ahead and rev it. And now we're gonna go ahead and open the valve now. Yeah, you can hear the difference. It sounds a lot more meaner. Go ahead and rev it.
I have good news, I have bad news, and I have bad news.
Oh my god.
Alright?
Where's the
So the good news is that we're finally gonna start working on the car. The bad news is everything we recorded yesterday won't work because of the file.
And then you put the little wing in the back, right?
Oh yeah, and then I put the wing in the back. Spoiler. Not a wing, it's a spoiler. I took off the one that came with the car. That's like a little mini one, like this. It's color matched to the car, but everybody knows you gotta put this spoiler on it. Compared to the market, yours is actual OEM BMW.
Mine still looks nicer.
I like the high kick on mine compared to yours. Yours is a little bit more like lean back. Mine's more tall.
I feel like that would slow me down.
Aerodynamics, perro.
Downforce. Okay, John?
I still have my head. Well, you guys can go higher. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not my fault. I'm 6 foot.
What the?
I'm not trying to be hunchback over here. That's perfect. Look at that.
There you go. Make sure it was on lock, perro.
Touch it. Touch it. Didn't like it. It's shaky.
Ooh, that's just hot.
Hot boy?
We're gonna remove these O2 sensors, all this whole mid-pipe bone, everything here, the stock exhaust. Bring it all down. Bring the goodness over.
Shebang.
What is this? I don't know what the fuck this is.
Oh, those are gold.
Ooh, is this fragile?
Wow, I haven't been recording.
Serious?
I'm just fucking around.
You're fucking.
That's what comes with your. What kit is it?
This is the Valvetronic V2 with the E90, E92 and cars. How's this? Pretty nice.
This is the color gold.
I wanted to get the gold option, but it was like another, like I think 500 more additional.
Like gold plated?
Yeah, so instead of it being just like stainless steel like color, like chromish, polished, it would have been gold. I was so close to being down for it, but I was like, who's gonna see it? Right there. See? Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. You see that? BMW M. Valvetronic. It's a little
It doesn't
scratched.
focus.
No?
Yeah, I don't know how to do that yet.
Should I cover your plate?
There's two more. They're probably 13s. 16? Pretty off. Might replace these lines right here. They're kinda pretty rusty. This one is about to like give out. It's fucking nasty. And this car only has like, well, I bought the car at 35,000 miles. Right now it has 38, so.
What the fuck, already?
Yeah.
Tiene ni 2 meses, güey, no mames.
And I just had the car for less than a month.
I know, that's why you tiene 2 meses, güey.
Fuck.
It's ready.
It's ready? No, the O2's in the back. The O2's right here. I haven't done this. Wasn't done yet, perra.
Estoy haciendo una entrevista de demo.
Gasket. Oh, we're gonna need gasket, bro. I don't know. Already, what?
Don't walk back. There. Can you grab this, Miguel?
Oh, shit. For now, we're just gonna run into a cigarette lighter, and then we're just gonna hardwire it.
That's how they run it?
Yeah. Oh, that's an option, you know?
You're just gonna run it through the middle or what? The vent? No, but the cigarette lighter.
Yeah, just for now.
Black one. The other way.
Yeah, you gotta let me pass me the time.
Boys and girls. We're losing on.
Not one thing, somewhere here. The fucking tubing. Oh, so this fucking tubing is what I was telling you, hooks up to the fucking electric valve. And now we're just gonna zip tie this shit up here, run it across, tee off to this one also, and then run it back to the little vacuum thing up there. And that should be it for this. Pretty much.
Well, you have an excess tube?
Yeah, we're just gonna pull it from the top and then put these little panels back on. I see my busted ass fingers, bro.
Qué busted ass, eh?
Yeah,
Dedos de salchicha, güey, que te carga.
bro, I got skinny fingers, bro.
How is it?
You're no lotion ass.
Bro, es que pinche.
Lotion's expensive nowadays? Or?
Dice, perro.
That's why the money for the lotion goes to the stainless steel.
Yeah, perro, the lotion. Do you want to spend money on lotion or want to spend money on exhaust? Es fácil, güey. Exhaust.
Se la.
So we're waiting on another piece for that.
Yeah, I'm waiting on that little basically that gasket that goes in between it.
And that doesn't arrive for another 2 hours?
Yeah. I'll leave it on tight. And then tight. I just hand it them just so it grabs. Once you put this, you can do that.
See that video of how it's happening. It's the final info. Is that an airport? It has to be, right?
You can go back and shit, bro. I don't know.
The airplane. It shoots air. Oh yeah, you're right, vacuum. Huh?
See, what estoy diciendo. I've been saying the whole fucking video. Oh yeah, there it is. Look, it opened.
Close it.
It's closed. Open sesame, bitches.
Are you gonna stagger them or no?
Yeah, that's why. That's why I kind of pushed that one out. No, the inner one out. So I just loosened this up, just so it has some play, and I can put this in here. Oh, the other one wasn't giving me this one.
You probably gotta pull the clamp out in one.
There you go. So the system offers a couple options for the tips, but I ended up going with the carbon fiber just because I don't know, it's carbon fiber.
It's carbon fiber, better.
And it looks nice.
Can't go wrong.
The install was pretty much simple. Just bring down the old setup, complete one piece. And the install, we did it in parts. This first, this back part first, and then of course the mid pipes all the way to the front. This was last. And just plug in back your O2s. Of course, running a mid pipe, and really no cats. Even though you have your O2 sensors, you're gonna get a code. I haven't gotten it yet, but I should be getting it soon. And then I'll be taking it to get tuned and get those cat codes basically deleted. And now we're gonna go ahead and open the valves now. Yeah, you can hear the difference. It sounds a lot more meaner. Go ahead and rev